California, about 14 million years ago. The climate in this region is very tropical, characterized by warm summers and wet winters. However, the focus of today's discussion will be on what lies beneath the waves. The Megalodon, a carnivorous otodontid. Its structure is similar to that of other large aquatic creatures, including whales, tuna, and various species of sharks, designed to minimize drag during swimming. The shape of the head may differ among species, as the majority of adaptations aimed at reducing drag are concentrated towards the tail end of the animal. While sharks are typically opportunistic feeders, the Megalodon's immense size, rapid swimming ability, and formidable jaws, along with its remarkable feeding mechanism, positioned it as an apex predator capable of preying on a wide variety of animals. It is likely that Megalodon was among the most formidable predators to have ever existed. It is proposed that fully grown adult Megalodon averaged a length of 10.2 meters, approximately 33.5 feet, with the largest individuals reaching lengths of 58.7 feet. Nevertheless, some researchers argue that the most substantial specimens could have attained lengths of up to 82 feet. Evidence of the Megalodon have been discovered worldwide. However, no skeletal remains have been located, as sharks possess cartilage rather than bones. These fossils have been particularly prevalent in North America, Europe, and South America. The Megalodon encountered a fiercely competitive ecosystem. Its apex position within the food chain likely played a crucial role in shaping marine community structures. Fossil records suggest a relationship between the Megalodon and the rise and diversification of cetaceans and other marine mammals. The disappearance of Megalodon paved the way for subsequent transformations within marine ecosystems. Following its extinction, there was a notable increase in the average body size of baleen whales, although this may also be attributed to other climate-related factors.